Magka-try nga pala tayo mag-muscle up. So, dito meron tayong doorway pull-up bar. Overshadow. Isa sa mga skill na gusto ko ma-unlock men is yung muscle up. Pero sobrang tagal na, hindi ko pa rin siya magawa. Ngayon, naaralin natin kung paano mag-muscle up. This is my day 1 trying to unlock muscle up. Let's go!
Yung halos ng iba upang. Tado.
Hindi mo lang kaya ko.
Kamay, okay.
You go up. And you go down. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and watch the video. Bye-bye.